Well, hello. One of the great things about this Icom 706 is that you can put in the UHF and VHF repeaters, but it isn't easy unless you know how to do it quickly. So I'm going to show you the method I use, which I find is really quick. So the first thing I do is I'm going to go to the memory channel that I want to program, and to do that I'm going to change this, and in this case I'm going to go to channel 53. So you can see 52 is already programmed, 53 is currently blank. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to VFO mode. So you can see I'm in memory mode. Now I'm going to go to VFO mode, and I'm on VFO A at the moment. So now what I'm going to do is put in the output frequency. So in this case it's 438.4. Now if I wanted to go quickly, I can press the TS and then it will jump like that. So now I'm going to go to VFO B. To do that I'm going to go to M1, and then I can just jump to B like that. And I'm going to put in the input frequency. So the input frequencies for this repeater is 433.5. And there it is there. So now I'm going to go back to VFO A, and I'm going to put in the correct tone squelch. To do this, I'm going to press and long press the display button. I'm going to change that to 1, 2, 3. So while I'm here, I also do this one here, repeater, so that's already done. And to get out, I'm going to press display, and you can see it's got tone squelch there and with a negative offset. So now you would test to see if the repeater works. So it's 4384 listening, 4385 transmitting. Now in this case I can't actually connect to this repeater, but normally you would hear the repeater, you'd know that the tone squelch works, and you know that the repeater input frequency is set, or we can visually see that. So now we want to put it into the memory. So we had the desired channels still set from the beginning. So I want to go to M2, and I want to press and hold memory right until I get 2 beeps. There we go, now it's set. It's no longer blank, and it's set. So we can go a step further if we want to. We can press the display until we go to the G menu, make sure on G4, and now we can put in the repeater name. So if we press E to edit, and I usually go, where's V? So I have a starting point like that, and then I work backwards. That's just what I'm used to doing, because then I don't have to put them all in. And strangely enough, after doing this a while, you end up sort of knowing your alphabet backwards, which is a little bit weird, but there you go, VK3, and that's set. So now when we scan, or if we have G4 listed when we're scanning or something, it'll actually say what repeater we've got there. We can go one step further as well if we want to. Let's go back to memory mode. So we're in VFO, now we're in memory mode. While in memory mode, we can go to S2, and we can select, and we can put the S on for the selective scanning. If you're not sure what that is, I've done another video on that, which I highly recommend you watching. Hopefully that's helped. Now we've got that channel in there. If I go back to memory name here, now when I scan through my channels, you can see that they've got the call sign in to the ones that have been programmed. They've got the call sign in to the ones that have been programmed. Hopefully that's helped. If it has, please like and subscribe, but I'd love to hear from you. What do you like about this radio? And do you program it slightly differently? And don't forget, we also have a blog page that has lots of useful information there. 73s, and hope to talk to you soon.